Yeah, good evening, everyone. I welcome you all for today's alumni talk. Today we will be having with K. Shravan Kumar. He is from Mechanical Department 2013 to 17 passed out student. He is the founder of CS Tech Solutions. So I would like to hand over the session to Shravan. Shravan, go ahead.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much. Hi, one and all, and everyone. Uh, Actually, I only contacted to the department to conduct from my side, but there is a session for only for the students, not for the faculty. Previously, also I just attended to webinar. I mean, two sessions. Their faculty only asking the questions, not the students are getting interacted. Only faculty getting interaction. But it should be somewhat changed. But let me go with my profile once. I'm K. Shravan Kumar. I'm not a CAD engineer in CS Tech Solutions. I'm the founder of the CS Tech Solutions. I implemented my idea after completing the BTech itself. And I'm not only a CAD engineer, I will be a front-end developer, web developer. I will handle web development, and I'm a trader. And itself, I will be a I have so many skills. I will be a digital marketer. You go through the company, I mean my website www.abcs3d.com, you will get know what the services I am providing to the customers, to the business entrepreneurs. And the thing is, I started my BTech life in 2013 in CMR Technical Campus. I just focused only on studies in the first year, only on studies. I didn't involve in any other activities. I just spoken once in a stage in the English lab. I think there will be a advanced English lab, something ALCS. In that lab only I just to speak 1 minute itself. That's my first year profile. It's completely I dedicated the first year to my studies itself. And next I entered into the second year where our core and our department will be collaborate with us. The thing is, you started your entire mechanical career from the second year itself. You just begin with our second year. Previously, there is another HOD up to two semester. We will faced a lot of issues. Just we didn't collaborated with anyone. We enclosed in a room itself. We didn't have any freedom itself. Everything is totally different. If when enter the Manaya sir, he's the wonderful faculty. I'm really thankful to Manaya sir because if you want to interact with Manaya sir, go and interact. You will get any situation. You will get the only positive vibe. There will be no negative vibe. It's 0% also. There is no will be a negative vibe of Manaya sir. At the second year, second semester, my life is started. Exactly what I want to say is because of only Manaya sir itself. I'm very thankful to the Manaya sir. Also completed the doctorate. It will be a more lucky because our department will be totally very comfortable with Manaya sir. So after the 2-2, I participated in the first fest in 3-1, I think so, 2-2 or 3-1. I started a website for the only departmental activities, department festes. Many of the department faculties also don't know what I'm doing at the time. Because I started the site, I consent to the, I asked to the CSC department, they hosted my website. I promoted the department self fest through my website, my created a website. I just taken a bootstrap and doing something less. Here starts. And why I'm saying this one is everyone will do two things only. Every person will do two things. One is for living and another for is they don't know what is the another. Because out of 60 members or out of 120 members, everyone will focus on how to live, how to live. Now you are living, going to college, eating, sleeping, enjoying, chit-chatting with the friends, everything. This is called living. And there is another side, another thing we have to focus, what's next? Which the question comes only after your BTech final year. You want to realize at the second year itself because you are living, but you are not focusing on your future. So try to focus on your future. The two things you have to remember, one is living, one is for the future. And the things we have to remember. To focus on your future, not only the mechanical career will give your future. Don't study for the marks itself. Don't study for the semester mid marks. Build a passion. I will definitely focus on the passion, because you definitely do your work. Coming to the college, studying, and buying a Spectrum before 2 days, it's enough. It will be for your living. What is your future? What are you doing for your future? So at the second year, I started the website for the departmental fest, and slowly I involved in all departmental activities, everything. First slam books, senior send off, 2 days fest. I conducted a scary house for the fun of the 2 days fest, and also I involved in the first international workshop with the additive manufacturing in our departmental. That is the first workshop I involved in. I organized the workshop, and with the help of Padmaja Madam, one international conference held. I also organized that conference with the help of, with the involvement of Dr. Ali Beg sir. Another conference is held. So if you want to go through the departmental profile, I involved in every activity, in every fest, and every event, every program. Even in message section also I involved. This shows what I am mean. I mean, this is all are my passion. Parallel, I am studying what I am studying. Third year, fourth year, second year. So from third year to fourth, 4-1, 2 conferences I involved. I organized a message section. I conducted. I prepared a plan. Everything is held going on smooth, other than the studies. So based upon your career, your future, your passion, build something other than what you are doing in your BTech life. Out of 1 lakh or 2 lakhs throughout the Telangana state, for example, I am saying all mechanical engineers are living, going college, doing something, everything. But what the other thing you have to do? If you are passionate about your singing, go and sing. If you are passionate about the learning, another thing, learning. And by the way, after coming to the second year, don't compare with the CSC students and CSC persons. If you have ability to make anything, you can make, because web development is related to completely CSC domain. But actually, I created a website at the age of, at the year of second year itself. I promoted for departmental fest. So build a passion compared to this one. Completing the third year, everything fine, and entering into fourth year. Fourth year also I involved in some activities, and here comes the major activity which you will do in 4-2. What is that? Major project. Literally saying, out of the 120 people, only 10 to 50 people will know how to do a document in a Word. Even 60 to 70 people, or remaining all people, don't know how to make a Word document. Your project itself, not others' project. So don't get Amirpet projects, Begumpet projects, online projects. If you also get from them, please learn something from your project, because your project is the crucial thing. Because after completing of tech, you don't know how to remember the definition of a stress strain itself. You will remember only the project. Because kindly focus on the fourth year semester. Any fourth year guys, kindly focus on the project. If you want, at least learn one thing from the project, making a Word document, or at least what is your concept of doing project. Coming to my project is a manufacturing, fabrication of a 3D printer. I connected to the one company, which is now MNC company. It's a multinational company. Now it's after 4 years, with the guide which he didn't have now in the department. Siddiq Ali sir, with a great coordination, I completed successfully my project. My project is making fabrication of 3D printer. I learned a lot of things. Now I am providing a 4 to 5 services. The first services is nothing but 3D printing. With my project, I started my business. So try to focus on your project and other than the job things. So just like that, I involved everything in activities, everything. The major concern what I am here to say is, rather than focus on your job, focus on your skill. Don't worry about the job. Job will never, it will come up to you only. Definitely it will come to you. It's not a problem. Doesn't matter about the job. It matters only the skill. What you are doing, what you are learning. So try to project your skill, comparing to CSC guys, everything. Don't think about the others. What you have, what are you doing? Just move on yourself, but listen to every update in the college and every update in the CSC, because our management will project only for the topper. one out of 240 students, only 2 members will get 18 lakhs, 14 lakhs, 6 lakhs package. What about the remaining others? They won't think the remaining others. I mean, parents or else students. They only focus on the first package. So don't compare to the first package. Don't worry about the campus placements, and it's all the secondary matter. My view is very clear. It's all about second matter. You want to focus what you want to know. Even some people don't know how to prepare a resume after completing the 4th year. How can they get a job? So better to make something other than studying. Studying will definitely continue, because you going and buying a Spectrum before 2 days of exam, within one night you will get everything, you will get a good marks, everything. It's also marks doesn't matter, because in our batch there was a lot of persons before 60%, having a 60%, they are studying in abroad and they're doing part-time, they're earning dollars. So marks matters. I mean, marks also doesn't impact on others, but focus on the marks itself also, but don't stick on to the exams, don't stick on to that one. So that's the things mainly I want to focus. Don't ask like a questions, just go with an interaction. I see few people added, because this session is also only for students, but there is a lot of faculties compared to the students. Out of 120, I think so 400 plus students, there were only single digit numbers. So this shows how you are interesting towards other activities compared to the college activities. Yeah, that's my brief explanation. If you want to ask or anything you want to mention any doubt, just proceed. Hello. Ma'am, is clear about my voice?
Yes.
Yeah, thank you. If no one asks, I will give some certain examples how you want to do, how you want to live. Everyone looking about the future. I mean, thinking about the future. Don't think about your future. Just look about the future. Think about the think about the future. Look about the past. Past will decide so how your future will be there. So try to make something from the second year or third year or fourth year. Job doesn't matter, skills matters. That's the main thing I want to project. Yeah,
Shravan, can you brief out the student that how you balance your studies as well as your extra activities?
Yeah, sure, sir.
Because every time students will say that, sir, no time is there, we can't do that one like that.
Yeah, this is the major question every student will face also, the issue. Yeah, sir, thank you. It's a wonderful question. I will just, not only in a strictly manner, I will say in a fun, joyful manner. One thing you have to remember in entire your BTech, you just go and interact with this faculty members. How much you interact will project to what is you are. For example, taking one faculty. Daily come and interact with the faculties. Hi ma'am, how are you? Hi sir, how are you? It will show some friendly manner towards you because you are interacting daily. And I'm also saying the fun some other than the management. If you interact very close to the faculty, if you come late for 10 minutes, the faculty will feel, hey, he's our guy, no problem, no issue, then we will allow. So like this, the things, there are a lot of facilities, advantages you will get when you interact more with the faculties. And the best thing is, at my batch, there is no doctorates. I think so only the 1 or 2, 3 members doctorates will do pursuing the PhDs. If you interact with that type of persons, now there will be, I think, 15 members in our department. They are pursuing PhDs, and up to 3 to 4, the new wonderful faculties came to our department, doctorates. Just interact with the doctors, not only the subject. Sir, how is your life? How you can able to do, how you can managing the PhD work parallelly, how you are maintaining the family, everything. Not only subject interaction, I am saying, just interact. Whatever, if you want to speak, you can go and speak with the faculty. Like that, if you do the things, you will get a lot of advantages. Because I'm said one only, you started the second year or third year guys, start interaction with every faculty, you will definitely get a lot of advantages, because even in the mid marks, assignment marks, attendance, and any management issues you'll face towards, you will get it. So I think there is I am fully updated about the college. Now it's a mentor facility. Some up to 15 students, they will have a mentor. Just interact with your mentor. It's very, very, very betterful for your entire future. And asking questions about the subject, not only that one, you just go through, sir, how is your PhD work, how to apply PhD work, how to write a research paper. Sir, is there any friends in our production field or any manufacturing field? How can I get a job from them? Sir, for doing a production job, what the skills I needed? This type of lot of questions will comes after the BTech fourth year. So in my services, actually I'm providing, I mentioned a career guidance in my website itself. Any one person will come to the well, I will definitely guide the one, I will show definitely one path. And one more thing, so that the flexible answer, I hope. Interaction with the faculty is necessary and mandatory. It will give a lot of benefits for you. And also it will be very useful, and no need to give any example. Just try once, you will get a lot of benefits from the faculties itself only. Yes, Aikiran? Yes, sir, over to you.
Actually, in your section, you are in MEC A section, and MEC B was the very sincere students. Okay, in your section, students were very what you can say, very naughty students were there in your section.
Yes, sir.
But even though you managed everything in your class very in a proper manner.
Yeah, exactly, sir.
That is very appreciation for your whatever you balance with there at that time.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
Their coordinator is Balu sir. Balu sir motivated all the students a lot. Till the fourth year, he guided.
He handled very carefully to those candidates.
Yeah, the thing I have to mention, because Balu sir section will be very punctuality and strict. If you didn't attend one class, definitely you will get a call from Balu sir. So you have to maintain that type of this. I maintain a balanced life in the fourth year, because I involved in all departmental activities. I interaction very much with the HOD and every faculty. So I have some light benefits. I have permissions itself. It's not a matter. I get a permission from that. So Balu sir also, if you manage it with the Balu sir mentor, definitely you will get some additional benefits, I think so.
Yeah, definitely.
Yes, sir.
We are telling all the students that whatever the activities you are doing, do it officially. Okay. If you do officially, we will give the permission, and everything will be in a proper manner. But what the students, they want to do it unofficial manner. For example, SAE is there. SAE, a few students are officially they are doing work there, and few students they will not do officially there.
Yeah. Yeah, this type of additive manufacturing lab developed with metallurgy lab, SAE, this all facilities are developed after the 2000. At the time I passed out, the college is going on, move on very with the high development, high infrastructures. There will be little management issues, and you just take initiation, go to any admin panel, you go, sir, this is the issue, this we want to clear it. You just talk. That is the secondary thing. Interaction with the faculty is must and should be need for every person.
Yeah. Compared to your batch, now the facilities are much more facilities are there. Now the student has to utilize that one.
Shravan, focus on your aspect, on your job, on your entrepreneurship. What are you doing, and how best students can start doing that?
Actually, I studied BTech. In my section, I am the topper. I got a 71%. I tried a jobs after completing of 2017 itself. up to 6 months I taken I got an idea. I want to implement the idea. It takes 6 months time to initiate because I don't know exactly the front end development. I just touched it a year of the second year. So that's why after completing I started my implementation of idea. My simple idea is unification of the services, not only focusing on a mechanical domain. I know the CAD CAM, CAD softwares. I can do analysis. I worked on Hypermesh, everything. But ultimately, I am very perfect with the designing part, modeling part. It's not also designing, modeling part. So later I got to know web development is also necessary. Slowly I developed my website. I created my website. And I will be the front-end developer. I have a few support from the another web developer side. Later, I have to I want to know how to optimize my website, because keywords, placing keywords optimization, it will be related to digital marketing. So I learned the digital marketing. I am the maintaining my website. If you think you don't know, our CMR Technical Campus and another group of institutions are now trying to focus on social media itself. Whether you don't know, I don't know, but you just observe every day the CMR Technical Campus pages or any websites, any page is instantly upgrading the news and updates. Still there is a one minus. If out of this won't observe the any, I think CSC students, it can do by the mechanical students also. If you enter go to Google, enter CMR Technical Campus, you don't show the Google map and the Google site. They will be show some map which will be added by the users itself, not by the admin side. So if you go and search www.abcs3d.com, you will get the Google map with about reviews, everything. There is no the type of Google review for CMR Technical Campus. The simple work is creating a Google My Business site with the CMR Technical Campus. It's the simple solution every person will can do, not only the CHC person. So mechanical skills is a one part. You can have ability to project your skills. You can move on into the coding side or any development side, or if you have any passion with singing, any cultural activities, focus on that. You will more better. And if you want to make any creative things, you can do a creative things. And here I want to say some simple example. There is additive manufacturing lab in our college, CAPD lab. I think I visited at least. I will visit at least for 3 months, once in a 3 months. But one or two CSC guys will maintaining that lab. Whether you have any idea or don't know, one CSC guy, he is now studying say third year, I think. He actually belongs to CSC. He learned the 3D printing, and he giving any QA sessions to the faculty of mechanical department. It's no need to it will be very, I think it's very too much, because CSC getting involving in mechanical. Why can't you involving in your lab? Go and learn 3D printing, which is related to the industry 4.0, where comparing to the CSC, artificial intelligence and machine learning is the industry 4.0. AI and machine learning is, if you feel that coding is a very burden to you, just go with our technology, which is 3D printing. So just focus on that, because out of 240 students or 400 plus students, no one mechanical candidate is not maintaining that CAPD lab. One CAPD is learning and making exposure towards the faculty and the outsiders. So that is a practical example I want to show how the students not taking initiation. So better to try in that way. And one more thing is, I want to continue from after BTech. What are the issues faced to me? 6 months, up to 4 to 6 months, I implemented my idea, and for some 4 months, I do a job in a project, one small project company, and I shifted into a BBL company. I will highlight one point. BBL company is Bharat Biotech, which is the main crucial part in India. They are collaborated with the other abroad companies. They are the first company going to research part in COVID vaccine. All are focusing on a medicine, but vaccine is also one the thing we need. But only the BBL company is collaborating with abroad companies. They are trying to, within a year, they will be providing a vaccine to the COVID or all persons, all public. So in that company, I worked 4 to 5 months, and just I rejected that. Here I want to tell one thing is, I am pursuing my MTech now. In 2 months, I will submit my thesis, and I submitted one paper also, and I'm going next in free publication, not in paid publications. I done with one paid publication. This is my career. This is my living. MTech career, job. These are all my living. Parallel, I'm focusing on my passion. What is that? My ideas, my unification of the services, where 3D printing, digital marketing, graphic designing, web development. These are the services I can provide now. This is my CS Tech Solutions. Don't search with CS Tech Solutions. It's a recognized by GOI, Government of India. But my brand is focusing with ABCS 3D. Just like if you go with Big Tree Entertainments, no one will aware of Big Tree Entertainments, but they will aware of Book My Show. Book My Show is their brand, but Big Tree Entertainments is their company, parent company. Like that, CS Tech Solutions is my recognition proprietorship, and ABCS 3D is my brand. So why I'm highlighting this BBL and COVID vaccine, this one is, you don't know AutoCAD up to 4th year. After completing a 4th year, you want to learn a designing software. You can learn designing software. If you go to the interview, what you know means, sir, I know CATIA, I well trained and I will design in CATIA. Who is the which company is providing the CATIA software? You don't know. Why I'm saying is, I said BBL and I highlighted one point. What you are doing, what you are studying, what you are knowing, you want to make some note about the background of your learning, because Dissolve Systems is the company providing a CATIA software. So this type of, if you search with Amazon, going shopping in Amazon, who is the founder of the Amazon? You want to know that type of things also. Backend will be, there will be, so it will be very useful for you. Not only learning the software, everything, who invented, when invented, everything you have to know. So that's why I'm highlighting that 2 points about BBL and everything. So that the things you have to learn. With the system is also, there is a lot of issues. JMP system and the patterns. Up to 4th year, no one will focus on a designing course, because in our field, in mechanical field, there will be a production, manufacturing and production almost integrated. And there will be little jobs in pharmaceuticals and construction. If you want to move with government jobs, it's better to write a GATE. Via GATE you can go, or any motor vehicle inspector jobs or any this type of jobs you will go with government jobs. But there will be mainly focusing on designing also. This is the one sector other than these sectors. In the designing, no one know what is AutoCAD, what is CATIA until 4th year. But in NITs or in any other things, they are starting learning from 2nd year itself. SolidWorks, CATIA, Unix. There is a lot of softwares. Only the AutoCAD. AutoCAD is part of Autodesk. Autodesk providing a company almost 15 plus designing softwares. They don't know what is remaining softwares other than AutoCAD. So our department lost one best opportunity, because Dr. Manesh sir already from previously 2 years taking minimal charges of 500 for the student, I think 500 to 1000. They started the training courses from the 2 to 3rd year only. Because of only utilization of student, it is now it's not done. I think it's not going with the same course structure. It's a student's fault. That type of students, after completing the BTech, they are going to the CAD centers and paying 5,000. There you left 1,000 rupees. Sir, I am not interested. I didn't have time. Everything is saying. After completing, you are focusing on designing. You want to focus on design. You going and study, getting a training with 5,000 or to 8,000 rupees. This is the worst. Because of the guidance only, this type of falls will happen. So better to start, if you want to learn some designing software, better to start it after 2-2, at least 2-2. second semester, which will gives very lot of opportunities for you. That the things I want to mention. If anyone have any doubts, Imran?
Shravan,
Yeah, ma'am.
what are the services you are providing with your CS Tech solutions?
Yeah, ma'am. The major project what I did is 3D printing. I focusing on that domain, Industry 4.0. With that domain only, I am. I mean, that is the major service I am providing. I have 2 FDM missions. Frequently, I will collaborated with 2-3 companies. If any support I need, I will outsource from that companies. Until unless I won't do it. And the second service is web development. I will do complete web development services, e-commerce sites, front-end development, everything. After creating a website, you need to optimize. And I want to here taking our college website only. You go and check the rank of every website, Google or Facebook. It shows the rank 1. But our college didn't show any rank because why means they didn't optimize the back-end process. So you have to do all the type of things only can learn by the digital marketer who are aware of with the digital marketing can only do that type of services I will provide in the digital marketing SEO, SSM, SCM. This type of courses will learn from outsides, but I'm not providing a training. I'm providing only services. This type of courses will charge us 20 to 25,000. As our mechanical courses charges from 5 to 8,000. And the fourth service is graphic designing, and the fifth service is CAD/CAM solutions. I mean, how to design, how to model. I will model and analyze everything. And here comes the project sessions. I will provide. I will give a support to the projects on every BTech, MTech, any projects, or I will provide also EC, CSC projects with the help of outsourcing. This type of services I am providing at present.
Okay. In CAD/CAM, which type of projects we are handling?
Yeah, ma'am, some echo problem. Can you pardon? Can you repeat once?
In CAD/CAM, which type of projects we are handling?
Yeah, 2 or 3 companies came to me. They need, I mean, some models like any automobile part, something models. I will make a design. They will provide a draft sheet. I will just providing a designing services. If any projects analysis comes to me, I will do a static thermal model, dynamic harmonic analysis. I will give a support and I will make a chart according to that time what I am to take and to support the designing services and CAD/CAM solution. And the best thing I need to provide, I need to say is, there is a bunch of tutorials in YouTube. No need to go with the cash centers itself also. Try to explore from the internet. From YouTube, you have to learn the designing softwares with the help of tutorials. At the time, you will stuck at one point. How to do this command? This command is not coming. What is the issue? At the time only you need support. That type of support I definitely provide to CMR Technical, our juniors. If you have any doubt while practicing that CATIA or any software, you just contact me. Because this type of things won't provide everywhere. Because if you, at the time, you have to know, is there anyone who knows software experience, CAD/CAM software. So you want to gather the proficiency and everything from your circle. Is there any CNC trainer or any designing software engineer? So focus better to what others doing in your surrounding. So that's the thing I want to do. Practice, you will get tools we can, previous session something, many people will ask which software I need
Voice
to...
Voice of
Yes, sir. Which software I need to learn? Learn any one software, CATIA, NX, AutoCAD, everything. Tools will be different. Voice ravatledha. Hello?
Yeah, it's coming.
Yes, okay, ma'am. You have just learn any one software, focus on one software. In one software, there will be extrude, in some one software, there will be a pad. the utilization of tool will be same. The UI and everything. Yeah, one thing. Can you hold 1 minute? Yeah. So learn one software. The difference is how you seeing the drafting sheet. Where is the front view? What is the dotted line? What is the inclination? How you can project the cross section view? This type of things you learn from machine drawing. In the 3 hours of drawing lab, you are taking a sheet, drawing it diagrams. You don't know why you drawing the dotted lines. You are drawing the these. I mean. Yes. So better to project. I mean, grab the views. I mean, how we can manage that diagram, seeing by yourself, Anmata. Like what is the front view, what is the back view? There will be difference. So all softwares are very similar. So don't worry about how to learn a software. Just learn how to draw a software. I mean, how to grab the dimensions, notations, dotted lines, cross-sectional view, front view from the single draft sheet. That's the major thing you have to know. Yes, sir. Better ask from the students, because previous sessions also only faculty asking. It's not familiar because it's only for the students. I see.
There is one question in the chat box, Shravan.
Yeah, one thing, 1 minute.
What was the initial budget for your startup?
Yeah, fantastic question. If I get, I mean, the answer will be very surprised to you. I just focused on my team. Zero investment. I mean, I will say few investments are there. Launching a website, I need a small server. For that, I used a third-party course. I get a minimal charges. And for domain, every person need to buy these 2 things. So ultimately, I also buy the things. For providing a service, designing services, no need. I am operating virtually. My home is my office is my home. So no need bother about the office rent, everything. If I come designing services, I will charge for a design part and I will get the money. Previous year, I make a GST and everything preparation. My friend is a CA. He will do free of cost filing everything. And I know designing, so no need not support everything. If web development comes, front end I will manage. My friend is there, back end development. So I no need to pay to my friend. And one more thing, 3D printing. No need any support for me for 3D printing. I have one printer. At the cost only I kept. Then other than that, not much investment I kept. Only profits, revenue is generating, not only not profit, generating revenue is important. Then we need a profit. Yeah, Balu sir, I will remind everyone faculty, because all faculty have some unique qualities. Definitely I will remember everyone. What is the initial budget? Yeah, the budget answer will get. Yeah, and one more suggestion is participate in measure sections. Try to avoid that queue process. From our department to auditorium, faculty need to struggling in a queue process to sending to the auditorium. No need to take that type of situation from your side, students, because just discuss with yourself, just 1 hour or 2-3 members give a small PPT, and here I comes ability of speaking must and should need for every person. Don't worry about the language, what you are speaking, what is the modulation you are speaking. First you need to speak, whether it is in our mother tongue or it is a wrong way or right way, that's all second matter. Once you talk 2 times in your dayas, definitely you will focus on your what I am talking is either right or not, the modulation. Think that in third PPT or third seminar or third speech. So my suggestion is that one, participate in make interaction with faculties, everyone. It will give lot of benefits. If you have any doubts or any concern after BTech, after everything, just contact me. Definitely I will give a path, but I am definitely assuring I can't provide a job because in my background there is a 0% mechanical reference. I think out of, for example, taking 1 year batch, 4th year batch, there is 120 or 180 students. Not no one will do, I mean, not 180 students are focusing on job. Out of 20 students, they will focus on their abroad studies, 20% going to MBA and other business activities, 20% their father will teach them how to go after BTech, how to do. So here comes 60%, and 20% I think need some jobs, 10%. In the 20%, 10% they will get a reference from Chacha, uncle, everything, Baba, everything. So out of 180 members, not all focusing on a job. So I think in your college, and I mean in the college, in your batch only, there is a less competition comparing to the job. But if you enter into the job, I mean, preparing a resume, going to the company, company won't ask all everything. Just they ask introduction, what is your major products, everything. And here comes what you know. You have to project your skill. If 2 days of buying a spectrum, studying in 2 days before exam, you won't remember anything. So better to focus on one subject itself, just take the key points, everything. The one thing you have to observe, I have observed is, one interviewer will ask, what is the definition of stress? You say something stress definition. But different interview person will say, this is right, this is wrong. You are saying one definition only, but their view is different. So that type of things you will face. So try to focus on only one subject, and it will just go while interviewing. What is your favorite subject? You just mention that. You will get some. You will just project your skills in with the subject. That's itself. And students, any interaction? And by the way, don't compare with others. CSC getting jobs, CSC getting jobs, because CSC will get the jobs because 4 systems, 1 project is enough for 6 months. They will get lakhs of project. If you want to get a mechanical, if you want to provide a mechanical job, they need up to 2 crores to 10 crores project. They need to buy some machines, machinery, everything. So this impacts our mechanical domain. Mechanical have jobs, but very less vacancies. CSC have lot of vacancies, lot of recruitment. You are aware of not, I don't know. Compared to mechanical, EC EEE will get a lot of less opportunities. Compared to mechanical, they get a lot of less jobs. Almost out of 100 CSC people, 80 people will shift to the CSC itself. From EC to CSC, they are focusing on other domain. So if you want to do a job itself in CSC, you just focus on CSC coding or any development side, you can project. So it will reflect what you are, I mean, what is your passion. So comparing with others doesn't give anything for you. Just what you are learning other than the BTech life. That shows what you are. What are the job opportunities of getting in a present situation? You know, I don't know. No need to worry about the job at present situation. Even there will be, say, some COVID pandemic. If you know the designing skill, I mean, now it's virtually connected. So I can't focus on production, going outside, marketing, this type of jobs. If you know any designing skill, just go some websites, project your skill. You can do freelancing. Per hour, in India, there will be less this type of scope. In abroad, per hour, they will take dollars of money only with freelancing. So better asking the job, what, I mean, are you ready with any skill? Just project the skill towards the others, because others need to know what you are and what you know. So that's the main thing. Job is definitely will get, no problem. Before that, if you want a job, you need to project some skill. Is it technical or passion, everything like that. Again, a mechanical engineer joining in a digital marketing will be any good. It's a nice question. And the thing is, don't fix with one domain. My personal suggestion, actually, it's if you want to fix with domain, it's because digital marketing course, no one will give any assurance guarantee in the job. They will give any assurance with 2-3 months course they will provide. They will charge 25,000, 20 to 25,000. Then here comes, they also trying to get a job for you, but you won't get whether it get or not, I don't know. So learn digital marketing if you are interested, and parallelly you need to focus with your mechanical skills, because you studied 3 years of BTech life, like that. And one more thing, in 10 coming years, everything will be interlinked. Artificial intelligence, machine learning, 3D printing, EC, CSC, mechanical. Without any, for providing any product to the consumer, definitely to manufacture the product, this all engineers need. So if you want to learn, you can learn the digital marketing, I won't object, but better not only stick to the path, to another path. How to find a job opportunities? There is a lot of websites, Naukri, everything, but before, thinking about the job opportunities, are you able to do job? Which skill you are projecting to the job opportunities? Ready with the skill, then try with the job opportunities. Definitely will get a job. In my circle, few will go with the consultancies. Few are joined with their references jobs. Few almost mechanical need reference for the doing a job, because I tried a lot of after completing I tried a job, parallel I implementing my idea. So without reference, it's somewhat typical to get a job for a mechanical person. So focus on, if you want to do a mechanical job, focus beside home, others home, other line, in your relatives, there is any mechanical field is there. Better to parallelly learn. Freelancing means, wow, wonderful question. Can I know you are from which year? Second year, third year, fourth year? Final year. Definitely want to know this question in second year or third year only. Freelancing means you have a skill. You're not doing a job on others, in a company. Simple ga cheppalante okari kinda nu pan cheyatledu. You are independently working with your skill. So if you got any project, you're just charging per hour like that. This is a freelancing. You didn't have any pressure from anyone, any side. So what you are saying is, that's the final word to the customer. Freelancing. Yeah, this type of questions you want to ask, and you get to know the answers in the third year itself. After completing our fourth year, asking these questions is too late, because we faced that issues. Because whether you know or don't know, you are working with SolidWorks. Without one command, you don't need to touch start menu, SolidWorks double click icon or any CATIA icon. Without one command, making a command, typing the command, one click enter, the SolidWorks window opens. This will happen with the developer. Besides, there is a lot of coding inserted in the SolidWorks. This is done by the Python learner. I won't say not only CSC person. If you learn the Python, you can also develop the code, and you can learn, implement the SolidWorks. Definitely, as you are mechanical, you know how to use the tools in the mechanical. So, but the developer don't know how to use the tools. So this is the beneficial side of for every mechanical person. Studying, focus on your skills, parallel you focus on other domain. Just integrate the two skills, just you will get a wonderful life.
One more question, share your experience as entrepreneur.
Yeah. Happy will be happy. But the thing is, now I'm facing the resource, because mechanical projects, to get mechanical projects, I need to bidding, I need to project some what I am doing, everything. So it's very somewhat typical, but getting is projects from CSC, web development or web domain or any e-commerce projects is very easy. but I am very familiar with front end, but this type of things need back end also. One of my friend is busy with his work. So because of lack of resource, I'm moving very slow. Just previous year from 3D printing, I'm making a 3D printing products. I'm selling the products in Amazon and in my website. So like that, I'm slowly developing. But I won't do anything. But parallelly, I'm doing mechanical MTech job. So if you, I am balancing two things. Better you have to also don't fix like that. That is the experience. Everything will be going well. It's all fine.
Yeah, Shravan, you please give your working mail ID. You type in the chat box. So if anybody wants to contact you, they will contact.
Yeah, sure.
Still, anybody wants to ask any questions?
Yeah, students are getting very less participations. So my suggestion for alumni coordinators, while posting the Zoom in link with poster in the respected groups, project what you will learn, because I am not focusing on the job now in this session. I am focusing on the skill. Job will definitely get skill. This type of questions, just highlight two questions. Persons will feels like that, if I attend it, I will get some answers. So there is no need of questions from their side. So the small suggestion to alumni coordinators, along the description, mention what you will learn in this session.
Yeah, sure, Shravan.
Thank you, ma'am.
So, still anything want to share from your side?
Last 2-3 suggestion. Just focus on the things what you are doing, what's next. Develop your passion. Other than your studying, you will definitely have one skill. Just think and explore the skill. Just go with interaction with every faculty, mainly with doctorates, PhD candidates and pursuing PhD candidates. You will get a lot of information, and don't do a simple typing, copying, pasting project. Before making a project, why you are making the major project. Literature review, literature survey will give all answers to the your project. That is the key point in the entire project. Literature survey must be done by four candidates. In the batch there will be 4 persons, 4 to 5. Every person need to do a literature review, because that shows what is the project, why we are doing this project, how many people did this project, up to where they completed the project, what is your unique in this project. It's all type of questions will get answers while doing the literature review. Go through the elsewhere Scopus journals and ResearchGate. This type of things, if you contact with the doctorates or pursuing PhD, they will give this type of information. It will give a lot of information. This is completely technical and pure technical development. One thing, go interaction with SAE automobile, SAE club, and one more thing, CAPD lab. It's a wonderful opportunities for you all, which we didn't get that type of opportunity at my batch. And one more thing I want to mention is, my small regression type, I realizing small type, I strictly involved in departmental activities only. I never involved in a club activities. It will impacts me still now also. So better to collaborate with the clubs. Interaction with the clubs is also necessary. Balance the things, and there will be, you won't write the entire record of lab record for a week. Next year, tomorrow there is a lab, you are writing today night. So that's the time you are making. So better to make. In the 3 hours of message sections, everyone won't give everything now. So you just sit, think what I want to do, next which I want to learn. So they will get a lot of thinking. And in the session, if you want to interact, go with interaction with the faculty also. No need to see it in a MISRA session itself. So this will give a lot of time. Then you think there will be no time, but you will get a time when you think how to do. So better to focus on that type of things also, not only the academics, everything. If you want to freelance a product, do we need to touch in mediator with clients? No. Freelance is provided. That word means itself. No need of any mediator. For example, if you are a freelancer, I have one requirement. I know you know the designing skills or anything is digital marketing or web development, everything. I have a requirement. I directly contacted with you. You just yeah, we can do. You saying you can do, and you providing a quotation for me. If I like the quotation, definitely I will directly contact with you. I will pay per hour or per day or entire project for that much. So there is no mediator between freelancer and the customer. I mean client. Cyclone is more interesting, right? Let's focus anymore. I think 1 hour session is completed.
Yeah, Shravan, we got lot of suggestions from you to your juniors. So hope your juniors will follow this.
Yeah, thank you.
Yes, sir. Mangesh, sir, do you want to speak anything?
Nothing. I want to tell only one thing to the juniors that Shravan is not only the entrepreneur. He is pursuing his PG, and everything he is making the balanced life. So like that, I am expecting from all the students. That's it.
Yeah. Soon I will conduct some 1 hour session in your MESA next year itself, if possible. I will come and I will interact with you directly. That will give a lot of benefits for a second year candidates.
Yes, definitely. That will be more useful for them.
Yeah. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, Shravan.
Yeah.
All the best, Shravan. You are nice talk.
Yeah, thank you so very much.
Yeah, Shravan, thank you very much. Actually, we'll be having one more session at 7 o'clock. So I would like to wind up this session. Thank you so much for your valuable suggestions to your juniors. I thank Fun and All for participating in alumni session. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Ma'am, inter session madam.
Avere departments.
Okay. Thanks.